name is Matthew Macauley, and I am a professor here in the Department of Chemistry at the University of Alberta. So my research involves the study of sugars, not the sugars that we eat, but the sugars that play really important biomolecules in our body. In particular, receptors, protein receptors that recognize those sugars and help control immune cells. These sugars that we study, which we call glycans, are really important in biology because they cover all of our cells. So when we think of an immune cell coming in contact with another cell of our body, it's the sugars or the glycans that are the biomolecules that it senses first. They are the point of first contact. So we've been studying this immune receptor on the microglia, the immune cells of our brain, and we've discovered that there's two forms of this receptor. One makes you more susceptible to developing Alzheimer's disease, and one protects you from developing Alzheimer's disease, and we're really excited about that. In many ways, the glycans are 30 years behind what we know about genes and proteins, and so we're just at the stage now and trying to bring them to the same playing field as the proteins and the lipids that we already know play many, many important roles in our bodies.
My name is Meghan Connolly. I am a neuroscientist, postdoctoral fellow working in Matthew Macaulay's chemistry lab. It's really exciting to be working in a chemistry lab as a neuroscientist. I've never worked with chemists before. I've always just worked strictly in a neuroscience space. So working with chemists really allows me to look at the nature of glycoligands that are developed by my chemistry colleagues and how they interact with my particular glycoreceptor in the brain. In neuroscience, we have a lot of therapies, and a lot of those therapies came from chemistry. So we're really interested in studying those therapies and how they influence Alzheimer's disease specifically.
In my spare time, I really enjoy biking, and I like to take the hard route, not always the flat route. And I find the same in my research. I like to challenge really difficult to answer questions, maybe routes that might scare other people away from.